Hi, my name is Brenda Cunningham, and I came home from church today. I taught kids club, and then when I went to service, and then when I came home, I noticed that one of the outlets was totally burnt, and I was really nervous and scared. So I had went on Craigslist and put in electricians and found Mr. Gabriel. And the reason why I called him is because of his smile, just his whole demeanor. And I kind of looked to see what other work he was doing. I sent him a text message. He contacted me within 10 minutes. And he was at my home within 30 minutes. And he actually changed the wall unit. And I'm glad, because it was really, really black and it could have caused a fire. My whole house could have burnt down. And then I had other issues that were going on. I had some other outlets where they were loose, and it was a possibility of them overheating also. Mr. Gabriel, he changed those out. He also looked at my water heater. I don't have any hot water. It stopped. And he looked at that and he troubleshooted that. And that's going to be a thermostat. So Mr. Gabriel, he's a lifesaver because I can rest comfortably to now. He asked me if there was any other things that I needed done. And he just said, yes, ma'am, let me take a look. And he goes beyond and above to make sure that you're safe in your house, and his work is over 1,000%. I'm very happy that I met Mr. Gabriel today, and he came out and he assisted me.